All right, so D2, let's talk about the second D in the Eddie formula, and that's demonstrate. Now, demonstrate's not the sexiest of the Eddie formula, but it is highly effective. And this is where I'm actually going to, implore you to demonstrate how to do something. Demonstrate how to, for instance, stage a property. Demonstrate how to prepare a home for photos. Demonstrate how to declutter a space. They say that staged homes sell upwards of 77% faster than non-staged homes. Demonstrate to them why. Demonstrate to them how to do it. This is that DIY, do-it-yourself demonstration. It can also be a lot of different things. Like if you're a gardener, like something around your hobby. If you build things, demonstrate that educationally. Now, I just recently became an RV person. Like we bought a camper, and I am literally the Clark W. Griswold of all things. Like I had a boat, I've had a few boats, complete disaster. So I thought, let me go to something that's like way more complex and could be way more disastrous, and let me buy a travel trailer and pull that up and down the interstate. What could go wrong? So I watch a lot of demonstrational videos on YouTube, and I get so much value out of those. So what is your area of expertise where you can actually demonstrate from start to finish how to complete a project or complete a task or make this preparation, or cook this dish? I mean, maybe it's your own cooking show. Maybe you love craft cocktails. Maybe you're into bugs. I don't know. Maybe you're an artist and you want to show kind of how you architect, a new piece of art. This is all establishing, it's pulling back these different layers of you and showcasing, these sides of you that people didn't know about. It's making you more interesting. So what can you be demonstrating to the consumer, to the public, to your sphere of influence, to your friends, to your family, that is going to provide value to them, that is going to, show them the process by which some of these things are completed from start to finish. And oh, by the way, in the process of all that, they're going to get to know you a lot better. They're going to like you a lot more. And they're going to think about you. You're going to retain mind share. You're going to retain this coveted top of mind awareness because you took the time to demonstrate how to when others wouldn't take the time. You're going to take the time. You're going to invest in them. You're going to show them how to when others really or don't even care. You're going to take the time. You're going to show them how to when your competitors are thinking, I could care less. When they care less, you show that you care more. Use this technology to show them how much you care.